Now, we learned that as programmers, we've started to write code that was just pure procedural code to something more organized, using something like object-oriented programming. And we talked about how we had languages like Smalltalk that had this concept of classes and objects to organize our code into these functional boxes. Now, around the same time, there was also this idea of another paradigm called functional programming. And languages like Scheme introduced this idea of functional programming. Now remember, a paradigm is a way for us to think about our code and organize our code. And up until this point, we learned about object-oriented programming. In the next couple of videos, I want to tackle this idea of functional programming. Now, some of the concepts are different than object-oriented programming, but that doesn't mean that you have to pick one or the other, or one is better than the other. Instead, we can use the concepts from both to think like programmers and understand that there's trade-offs, pros and cons to each, and we're going to try and explore that over the next couple of videos. So, what is functional programming? Let's find out.